Welcome to Caricomp Insider, where high-tech facial recognition meets real-world intelligence.
The exact same scan of your face can be perfectly legal in one room and worth $5,000 in a lawsuit in another. Same measurements, same technology. But move it from a doctor's office to a shopping website, and the law flips completely. A federal court just proved it with a pair of sunglasses. Have you ever used one of those try-on buttons online? You know the ones. You point your camera at your face, and the site shows you what a pair of glasses would look like. That little feature just landed at the center of a major privacy fight. If that makes you a little uneasy, good. That instinct is worth listening to. But by the end of this, you'll understand something most people get completely backwards. Because the surprising truth is this: privacy law doesn't really protect your face. It protects the reason your face was scanned. So how can the same scan be legal one moment and illegal the next? Let's start with the law at the heart of this. It's called BIPA, the Illinois Biometric Information Privacy Act. The Illinois legislature passed it unanimously back in January 1, 2008. And it's still the toughest biometric privacy law in the country. Here's why it has teeth. It's the only law of its kind that lets you, an ordinary person, take a company to court for scanning you without permission. Most privacy laws leave that to a government agency. This one puts the power in your hands. Now, that law has an exception carved into it for healthcare. The idea is simple. When a licensed medical professional scans you while you're getting care, those normal privacy rules step aside. So an eyewear company got sued over its virtual try-on tool. And it argued something clever. Sunglasses protect your eyes, right? That makes them a medical product. So the healthcare exemption should apply. And at first, a lower court agreed. Case dismissed. But then the Seventh Circuit stepped in and revived the lawsuit. The court said the exemption doesn't work like that at all. It's not about whether the product is medical. It's about whether you're a patient. An Illinois appellate court drew the line even sharper in a related case. If you're buying non-prescription sunglasses off a website, you are not, in the eyes of the law, a patient receiving medical care. The exemption only covers prescription eyewear ordered through a licensed professional. This is the part people get wrong, and it's completely understandable why. We all assume, my face is my face. The rules should be the same no matter who's scanning it. That feels obvious. Data is data. But the law doesn't see it that way. It cares about the relationship you're in when the scan happens. A doctor fitting your prescription lenses? Exempt. A retailer selling you a fashion accessory? Full privacy protections apply. And this isn't a small distinction. Under this law, you don't have to prove you were harmed. The violation itself is the injury. A single improper scan can cost a company $1,000 if it was careless, or $5,000 if it was intentional. Multiply that across thousands of shoppers, and you see why companies are terrified of getting this wrong. For a business, this decides whether they owe nothing or face a massive class action. For you, it means that harmless try-on button carries real legal weight. So here's the shift that changes everything. Privacy law isn't really about your data. It's about the relationship you were in when your data was taken. The same facial scan isn't legal or illegal because of what it measures. It's legal or illegal because of who collected it and why. So let me leave you with the simple version. There's a strict Illinois law that lets you sue companies for scanning your face without asking. Companies tried to dodge it by calling sunglasses a medical product, but the court said no. Buying glasses online doesn't make you a patient, so the rules still apply. And here's what matters for you. That little try-on feature you clicked without a second thought, it's collecting something deeply personal. Knowing that the law is starting to protect you, even when you didn't realize you needed protecting, that's power, not fear. The full story's in the description if you want the deep dive.
Now you know something most people in this industry don't. Use it. And when you're ready to put it to work, Caracomp.com. We'll see you tomorrow.